In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnotes in Substack. Think of these as the notes that consistently appear at the end of your newsletters, perfect for brief citations, disclosures, source links, or recurring reminders your readers should see every time. Substack handles this through its footer settings, especially the email footers area, which is where those end-of-email notes live. By setting them up once, you keep your issues tidy and avoid copying the same text into every post. Start by opening Substack in your browser. Once you're in, head straight to the dashboard. This is your control center for everything you publish. From there, click on Settings. Settings is where all your publication-wide tools live, including design, branding, and the footer areas we'll use for footnotes. Keeping this centralized means your updates can apply across multiple emails without extra effort. Inside Settings, use the search bar to look for footer. This filters the page so you don't have to scroll through every option. You should see a footer section surface in the results. Click Edit. This opens up the place where your publication's general footer information is managed, and it helps you keep consistent details across your content. Now, scroll to Email Footers and click Edit. This is the key area for setting up your recurring notes at the bottom of every email. Here, write the material you want to appear as your footnotes. Keep it short, clear, and scannable. Think 1 to 3 compact paragraphs. You can include numbered references like 1, 2, or brief labels that match citations in your piece, along with links to sources, disclosure statements, or a standard note about how readers can reach you or learn more. Use simple formatting for readability, avoid long blocks of text, and make sure any links are descriptive so readers know what they're clicking. As you refine the wording, aim for a tone that matches your publication style. Professional if you write research, conversational if your newsletter is more personal. This space is also ideal for recurring acknowledgments, a short disclaimer, or a link to your archive or support page. Remember, because this is an email footer, it appears at the end of your newsletters automatically, helping you stay consistent without extra work. That's all you need to set up reliable, reusable footnotes on Substack. Open Substack, go to the dashboard, click Settings, search for Footer, click Edit, then scroll to Email Footers and click Edit. With this in place, your emails will carry clear, professional notes every time you publish.